Hey friends, if you encounter this issue with the caps lock keys reversed in Windows, then please watch this video. This has been mentioned on this on a discussion in the Microsoft Answers forum, and a lot of users have found help with this one solution, which says press Control Shift plus Caps Lock. Control Shift plus Caps Lock. This will actually reverse the caps lock key. Okay. So this is the case, and the problem is that in many computers you won't even know when caps lock is pressed. So you need to make sure that you either have a light there, or you can try pressing caps locks once again to know whether it is actually reversed or not. The next one is obviously to update the keyboard drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for keyboard drivers. Right click on each one of them and select update drivers. Right click, update, update drivers. Right click, update, update drivers. Okay, so this is the second solution, and after this the next solution will be to make sure that no third party software is interfering with this. So just perform a clean boot on your system and restart it. How would you do that? Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services check, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.